टाइप्स ऑफ टेबलेट्स डिफेक्ट्स। इस वीडियो में हम मुख्तलिफ टाइप्स की जो डिफेक्ट्स हैं टेबलेट्स के अंदर उस पर हम डिस्कस करेंगे। नंबर 1 पिकिंग, नंबर 2 स्टिकिंग, नंबर 3 कैपिंग, नंबर 4 लेमिनेशन, नंबर 5 डबल कंप्रेशन, नंबर 6 मोटलिंग, number 7 weight variation, and number 8 hardness variation. Number 1 picking. Picking occurs due to the sticking of powder to the punches. This is usually due to the use of low melting point lubricant. So this problem can be resolved if you replace the lubricant with higher melting point. Number 2 sticking. Sticking occurs due to adhering of tablet material to the die walls. There are three reasons. Number 1, excess amount of moisture in the granules. Number 2, insufficient machine pressure. And number 3, rough surfaces of dies and punches. Number 3, capping. In this case, upper or lower layer of tablet is separated. It occurs mainly due to two reasons. Number 1, entrapment of air during compression, and number 2, deep concave punches. Number 4, lamination. In this case, granules are too much dry. Therefore, mix hygroscopic substances like sorbitol or cellulose to rectify the defect. Number 5, double compression. Double monogram mark appears on the surface of the tablet. It is due to the movement of lower punch. Fix the lower punch with keys to avoid this problem. Number 6, molting. Molting is the unequal distribution of color in the compressed tablet. The problem can be resolved either by change of binder, change of lubricant, or drying at low temperature, or reducing the particle size. Number 7, weight variation. Weight variation is the frequent change in weight during tablet compression. It may be due to four reasons. Number 1, poor flow of granules. Number 2, high speed of turret. Number 3, poor mixing of granules. Number 4, improper size of granules. Number 8, hardness variation. Hardness variation is due to the improper spacing between the two punches according to the amount of powder used. This problem can be rectified by two ways. Number 1, correct use of tools, and number 2, proper use of wheel adjustment knob.